Hello. So I was looking on this issue, the line that is not verifying anything. It's important to check. So I just checked right now. So you said that 1936 Sierra DR Austin, Texas. It's not verifying. So status is not yet verified. Okay. So let me try to verify. So it's saying the client import has status change, and why it is saying this. So I checked the code, but before that I want to show how it is working, and I want to tell you why it does not happen with our standard objects like account, contact and lead. So what I did is I just rechecked the address verified. It was checked when I tried to verify. It was something like this: the status was changed, so that's why it was saying not yet verified, but the address verified field was checked. So our code actually track this boolean variable address verified boolean field, and if it is checked, so it does not verify the record because it thinks that it's already verified. So it actually designed the code actually works with this field address verified. So now if I try to verify, yeah, so it says address verified. So let me just change it to changed. Okay, and make it back to what it was before. Okay, so it's one line now, and the address is not verified yet verified, not yet verified, right? So it looks like it's saying that not yet verified, but it's actually verified because according to the this field address verified is checked, so the class will always think that it's verified. So it will not verify, but it will say that verification failed. I'm not sure why it is saying this one, because it actually this condition never happened. This is a strange scenario, and now it is saying that it's not verified. If you imagine with contact lead or account, we have trigger. So whenever we try to we change anything here in the address or in the status, it actually reset these fields like address verified and other fields. It actually reset, so it never happened with those objects, but it is custom object, so that's why it is happening. And the code actually, the apex class, here it check if the variable is true, that means this field is true verified, so it is skip the object. So that's how, because when we try to verify a lot of records, because the same class is used everywhere, like let's say there is two address and one need verification and other is already verified, or there is 50 records we trying to verify and 2 3 is already verified. So it actually check this field address verified checkbox to know that if address need verification or is verified or not. It does not check address verification code, but for it, because it's easy, and everywhere in our package this address verified field is used, so that's why it is not working. Let me show you now that I rechecked it. Yeah, so what we can do is, let me know about it if we need to make any major change in our component, or we can create a trigger on this object, just like our standard trigger. And what it can do is it can just reset the fields that are used to populate after verification. If anything change in the verification in this field, like either of the any of these fields, just like the standard one works. So let me know. So the reason was just here, the address verified field. So if it is strict, it will not verify and skip the record, and after that it is showing a strange error like the status is. So I think it's thinking like something like this. So let me show you. So because we reset one field and did not reset the other, so what happened? Let's say you put here taxes. Okay, so remove this one. So now we just updated the address, but we did not change anything in other fields because that is the job of trigger. Don't change anything manually. Try to update. So see, it's saying record verified. So why it is saying record verified? The trigger Yes, you see, it's right here. It's still here. It does not populated in city state zip. Why it is? Because our code just skipped this and does not call any API or something. It is thinking that it's already verified because this address verified field, and the message is now green because our component checked the address return code, which is confirmed. So it so that the code is verified successfully. So everything is fine, because but we are missing one major functionality, which is where we change anything like street, city, state, zip, or country, or any other like these fields. So what we need to do is we need to reset all these fields that is populated after a verification. So please let me know about it. Thank you.